They're done. They're done. So my neighbor was over the other day, and I asked, and he had two young children. So I asked the boy what his favorite Pokemon was, because he said he liked Pokemon. So he said Pikachu. So we printed this Pikachu for him. So then I want to do something for the little girl, and I found this unicorn, and that New Maker's red silk just prints so nice. Anyhow, but I think I got a problem here because she's like 2 or 3. I don't want to say 2, and that's a weapon right there. I mean, even if I blunt it, it could hurt. I might have to go find something else to print for her. So let's try taking a little off the top. Let's hit it with the heat gun. Hey, it looks like a broken unicorn. Maybe I'll find a different model. It's so cute though. So Pikachu I found on MakerWorld.com, as well as the cute unicorn multicolor that is pretty much a weapon. So I need to find something else.